Hi guys, and welcome to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I am Ivo, and in today's episode we are going to learn how to use reverse connection. In this video we will begin with reverse connection between Forge and a data source. After that we will have the reverse connection between Forge and an OPC UA client. In a standard OPC UA setup, the client, in this case Forge, initiates a connection to the server. This approach works well within a local network or when the server is exposed to the internet. However, it encounters challenges when the server is behind a firewall. Reverse connection allows Forge to listen to certain port for incoming connections from the server. Once the connection is established, it functions similarly to a traditional client-server connection. So let's begin. First, we want to go to data sources, and I will remove this connection to my simulation server so I can do it again with the reverse connection. Here in my simulation server, I have set up an endpoint right here. That I can see I have this reverse endpoint now configured. So what I can do is add a new reverse connection, name it like this, and then I want to change this address to be the IP address of my Forge computer, and then the used port was 55556. I will use the security options and even the username password like this. And when I'm ready with the configuration, I can press add. And yeah, then we wait for the connection to be initialized. And like that, we have done the connection to our data source simulation server with the reverse connection style. And next we are going to connect the OPC UA client to Forge. OPC UA reverse connection allows Forge to initiate the connection to the client. Instead of waiting for client to connect, Forge opens a connection to the client. Since the server initiates the outbound connection, it can traverse firewalls. This is because most firewall rules are configured to allow outgoing traffic. The client listens for incoming connections from the server. Once the connection is established, it functions again similarly to a traditional client-server connection. So let's begin. First, we need to do the reverse endpoint to Forge. So I'm gonna navigate reverse connections, and here I name it browser, and then I'm gonna give the address here and save that. But I have one space there, so I delete that. Okay, great. And then I can copy this address to be used in my browser. So what I will do is that I write here inv plus, so that means that it's going to be inverse connection. I try to establish the connection right here, but it doesn't work because I need to use the security options. So what I can do is go here and then select that I can select unsupported security settings, but actually these are supported, but browser just doesn't know that. And also I need to use the username password, and I will write them right here, and then I can press the connection again, and then we are accepting the certificate here, but Forge already trusts browser certificate, so we are able to have the connection now with reverse settings, and we see that the status is green here too. In our next episode, we will demonstrate how to create new events for objects using the event generator module. We will walk you through configuring events in Forge's address space. Don't miss it. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.